Hey everyone, Kyle Lewis here with another worship keyboard tutorial. In this video, we're going to look at the intro for The Lion and the Lamb. And we're going to look at how to beef up the melodic section as well as some ideas for filling in some of the blank space. So if you're ready, let's get started. So let's start with the melodic section. We're going to do this in the key of B, that's the original key. And we're going to start with that melodic section. If you were to play just the melody note by itself, might sound kind of weak. It doesn't have a lot of punch to it. So whether I'm in a band situation or playing this as a solo piano leader, I'm going to beef it up a little bit because you think about the words, he's coming on the clouds. That's kind of a majestic statement. So what I like to do is I like to use octaves. Octaves will help beef up that melodic section, but also starting with the downbeat of that full chord. So I've got your B octaves, but then I have the chords in between, the chord notes, D sharp and F sharp. Sounds a lot punchier. Now I'm trying to add a little bit of rhythm in my left hand. So again, if you're playing by yourself, you need to kind of help carry the rhythm. The other thing that we're going to look at is some ideas for the fills, because you have basically two full measures of dead space once you've concluded each round of the melodic section. So you have 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. You have two full measures there. And again, especially if you're playing by yourself, you need to carry some sort of rhythm. So let me give you some ideas. One thing that I would do probably is the sus2 arpeggio. Now I put a link below for the sus2 arpeggio reference video. I'm not going to explain a lot of what that means here, but if you want some deeper understanding of what the sus2 arpeggio is, you can click the link below. Also, there's a PDF of some of the ideas that I'm working through in this. You can download that and practice that as well. So let me get to the melodic section again, and then I'll show you some fill ideas, okay? So what I did there was the sus2 arpeggio, and I'm using it based on the 4 chords. So basically I have the 5th, the root, and the 2nd, but I'm starting with the 5th up here. Now the specific rhythm that I did there, I've got that written out so you can practice that, or you can start working on some of your own ideas. Now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get my hand back down here. I've started up here high, and I'm trying to get my hand back down here so I can hit that melodic section again, because there's a repeat of that. So now my hand is back in the position where I'm going to hit that melodic part again. I don't necessarily want to repeat that same arpeggio, so I might do something going up shortly and down. I'll just throw out some ideas here. Maybe something simple down here. You could use some scale notes. Clouds. I would do something a little more dramatic in the beginning part, especially with that sus2. You can use some of these ideas or hopefully develop your own. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like it, subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification so you can get notifications of all future videos. All right, that's all we have for this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.